My first Temu couch video went completely viral. So obviously, I had to do the next logical thing and buy another one. Except for this time, it's not a full-blown couch, it's a designer chaise lounge. So it's a fraction of the cost, and today we're going to see if it actually looks high-end or if I just invested my money and bought a glorified couch cushion. Let's go find out. I am so excited to be opening this box. I think it's going to be very, very interesting to see what is inside. I decided to get another couch because it seemed like everybody was so interested in the first one, but I wanted to fill out my living room a little bit more without being too much with the second couch. So this one's supposed to be a little bit smaller. I tried to get the same color just because obviously I wanted to match the aesthetic. So I'm hoping that it came out nice and it comes out in the right shade of this burnt orange. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Give me some suggestions on what you guys want to see next, and make sure you check out my social media platforms in the description box down below, and I will make sure to have the link to this couch if you guys are going to be interested in purchasing it for yourself. So let's get straight into the video and let's open this box. We're doing this thing again, y'all. I can't believe it. All right, guys, so here's the box that it came in, and we are going to open this up now and see what happens. As you guys already know, I complain a lot because I hate opening these things. Oh, the casing has gotten a little messed up, obviously. As you guys can see, it was a little bit open. All right, so it comes with these little instructions here. It has these little instructions here, I guess you can refer to. You guys can see it's like a chaise. It's definitely not a full-blown couch. So let's see. Oh, ow. Now let's open this. It's definitely not as big and not as heavy. Okay. Whew. Well, I do like the color. It doesn't match completely, but it's not like awful. And this one's definitely going to take some time to expand. This one just like popped right out of the box. This one I can already tell is going to need some time to actually expand before we can really see what it looks like. So I'm definitely going to give this some more time. First I'll fully unbox it, but I'm going to give it more time, and then we'll come back and we'll be able to fully see what it looks like after it's been sitting for, I guess, like 72 hours is what they say on the online. So let's open it. Okay. Yeah, this is gorgeous. That is a gorgeous little like chaise type couch. Oh my God, I love this already. Let me bring this over here. I like this. I can already tell my cats are gonna be obsessed. Look at that. And the thing I love about it too is that these pillows are actually weighted. So they have like a nice little weight to them. That's so comforting. Wow, I love it. Wow, this is so cute. This time I do notice an odor. A lot of people asked about that part. So I think I'm definitely gonna let it air out. I do have like air purifiers and all those things. So I'll make sure those are running. And I typically keep like my windows open throughout the day and try to keep the place like aired out. So we're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna come back and I'll tell you guys what I think about this couch. Come say hi. Come say hi. Oh. What? He's so cute. A lot of people were commenting about him. This is Leo, guys. So this is what it looks like right now, but I'm excited to see what it will look like when it's fully expanded. Something tells me that it's going to end up being bigger than this, just because this is very low to the ground right now. But I genuinely don't think it's going to stay like this. Leo. I don't think it's actually going to stay like this. I think it just needs more time to expand. So I'll be back in 72 hours and we'll see what this looks like then. For now, I'm probably going to cover it back up a little bit just to protect it from my pets. And I got a second couch cover like the one I suggested to you guys in the first one. I got a second one for this one, so I'll probably put that over it as well. As you can see, Leo loves the couch. So I do too. It's really cute and it's comfortable. So yeah, see y'all in 72 hours. Okay guys, so it has been over 72 hours and I'm excited. We're gonna be lifting this up to see what it looks like now. And I was right, my cat already loves this couch. He has been sitting on the very center like every single day for hours. I love this, it looks great. Yeah, it looks amazing. I guess now what I'm gonna do is take off this plastic. And stick the landing. I am obsessed, guys. You know what I think this is especially perfect for is like a book nook. If you're a reader out there and you like to read, this is like the perfect book nook couch. Oh my god, I could totally see this in a little corner. But it's going to be fitting perfectly for what I'm looking for when it comes to my living room. This is basically going to face this other one that I got and unboxed last time. Make sure you go check out that video if you guys want to see what it looks like to unbox a boxed boneless couch. So it is pretty low down to the ground. I already told you guys that I did notice a little bit of a smell when I first opened it. I don't really smell that now. Also guys, I want to say a lot of people were worried about like the chemicals that they use, it being flammable, all those things. But I think it's like severely undermining how unhealthy and toxic the products we buy here are. Like I live in California, for example. So in the United States, our food is so unhealthy. Our water is super toxic. I mean, a lot of things like our plates that people buy at stores have lead on them. Like there are so many toxic chemicals and things that are attacking our bodies at this point at all angles. For me, I'm like, the convenience ends up being worth it. It airs out quickly. It doesn't have any issues. My cats love it. My dog loved it. He was a big fan of that too. So, you know, I can't complain. The pillows are weighted and comfortable. Weighted pillows, weighted stuffed animals, weighted like things like this are actually very good for your central nervous system. So that was a very pleasant surprise to have like these little weighted pillows, because there's something very comforting about that. And that is scientifically backed up, okay? The material is super, super nice. I like this material a lot. And I think that the design of it, like how this material looks up close, it just looks a lot more luxury than this one. This one is a great couch too, but I think because of these lines, it kind of takes away the regal aspects of it. But this material right here, it has like such a cool, like distinct kind of, I don't know, pattern slash design. And to me, this definitely looks a lot more like luxurious or artistic. I'm telling you guys, if I were to go to like some place down here in Beverly Hills, a couch like this would go for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, like same size, same material, same everything. And like, I just don't want to spend that much when I'm not even at my forever home. You know what I mean? I remember some people had asked me about whether or not it was easy to like get up from or whatever the heck. This to me seems very easy. So if you have mobility issues, this is not going to be tough for you to get up and off. I am personally 5'9", so I'm pretty tall. So the average person alone, or the average woman especially, you're probably not gonna like feel uncomfortable trying to get up in this, especially if you have some kind of an assisted item. You know, it is kind of low down to the ground, but again, I personally like that style. I can't complain. I'm a big Temu fan. Like, we may have had the Temu disaster, but stay tuned because there's a part 2 to that Temu disaster, and it's not at all what you are expecting, because I was personally so shocked. But I stand to it. I love Temu. I'm team Temu all the way. I know there's a lot of people who have their thoughts about it, but we lived in a pretty messed up world right now, no matter which angle you cut it. My cost of living is very expensive. I don't have the ability to just, you know, expend on a bunch of things. So I don't know what to tell you. Please make sure you guys go down below to check the description box. If you are a new user to Temu, I have a $100 credit gift card for you to use down below. And it can also go towards this couch, I believe. So make sure you check all those benefits out. I'll also have the link to this couch and all the other stuff that was in this video, like this couch as well. and the covers that I use on my couch for those of you who have pets. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out, and I'm trying to grow my community here and hopefully bring positivity and joy to those of you who are watching. I love you all so very, very much. Please come find me on my other social media platforms in the description box down below, and I will be looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Love you. Peace on the streets.